get that back to the hole, we're good.
Yes, yes, come on. Oh, no.
Careful.
Up. Here we go. Here. Up. Chill. Nice, hey? Look at that guy. Gotta back up a little, but that's a good size. Lake Simcoe whitefish. First one of the season. Natural too. Look, no clip fins. That's an all natural.
Yeah, beautiful job.
All right. Hey everyone, welcome back. So we're out on Lake Simcoe right now, fishing for some Lakers and some whitefish. We weren't really going to put together a video because normally it's a little slow, but I just landed a beauty. Look at her right there. Nice Lake Simcoe whitefish. It's pretty big. I'd probably say she's about, what, 4 or 5 pounds?
Yeah, about 5 pounds.
Yeah, about a 5-pounder. Show you guys some pictures of it. Set up the tip up out there. Haven't really gotten much action on that. But we've only been fishing, what, since 8 o'clock? And it's 8:41 now, so about 40 minutes. Not bad. Yeah. We'll just keep fishing, see what we get. Hopefully we'll have another fish on camera for you.
Yeah.
My fishing buddy.
Here you are again. Hooked up twice now.
Yeah. It's giving me a lot of head shakes. This one might be a Laker because it came up pretty high.
Got a whitey again.
Oh my god, I don't know. It's giving me some pretty good head bobs.
And you can see with that inline, she's collecting all the slack and then physically lifting the rod to gain ground. It's one of the tricks with these inlines. It's funny because you just landed that whitey.
Oh, Justin.
Yeah, nice job.
Almost
Come out
lost
right
it.
at the hole.
Holy crap. Another one. Another all natural.
Yeah, good.
It's a year of
freaking
naturals,
job.
Huh? Look at this guy. Another cucumber fish. Put him down here so you can actually see what he looks like there. We'll do the whitefish shuffle, as I like to call it. But these guys smell just like cucumber when you come out, and they taste great. So it looks like we'll be showing you how to fillet up some whitefish.
Yeah, show them for the camera.
And, sorry, let him get the whitefish shuffle out.
The whitefish wiggle.
Okay. Look at that guy, eh? Beauty.
Good job.
Thanks, babe. Looks
Toss
like
it
that's
with
my
the other
limit. Your turn to.
Yep.
Alright, just going and checking on this jaw jacker. Already got 2 today. It's looking good. Not too much slush in the hole. Yeah. It's been a windy day. It's only like -5, but it's windy. It chills. It gets right through your bones, but it's been a good day of fishing so far. Oh, good.
Perch and 70-something feet away. I guess I don't need to go for perch.
Wow, eh?
Wow. Here, I gotta send this down.
Perch in 70
Figure out what
feet.
happened.
Another
Holy crap,
one.
look at the bottom.
Oh my god, it's lit up. Look at the bottom. So many perch just came through. See what you got there. Oh yeah, another perch.
Good one, but I can't really
It's just lit up. And white fishing turned into a perch fest. Look at all that perch on the scale.
I got him.
Oh yeah? Oh wow.
Feels like a better perch.
Looks like a good one.
You barely, without that spring bobber, I wouldn't even have known.
Yeah, these things
These are
spring
the
stops.
20 feet, 17 feet, 10 feet, 8 feet, 6 feet, 4 feet, and boom.
Dango, another good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, why bother moving? Catch 'em, jumbo perch and whitefish all in the same area. The whitefish bite slowed down extremely, almost to no more whitefish.
Yeah, they're dead.
Yeah, they're dead, but
They're gone.
who knows? Might pick up again. It's gonna be time to make some lunch. So I'm past my limit now. I'm gonna let this guy go. But it's been a good time fishing, man. I tell you, Lady Simcoe's been good to me today.
Right on. Good job.
Right.
Let me get a picture before.
Oh yeah.
Transducer.
She's taking some crazy drags.
I'm not so sure this is a perch anymore.
Wow. I still don't even see it. Sorry, my line's still down here. It's really taking, eh? Holy. You have a Laker?
I'm afraid so.
Oh, don't stop it, don't stop
I have to slow it down.
it. My word. Tire him out, but don't put too much pressure on it.
No, I just have to be mindful of my tiny baby hook.
Yeah. Oh gosh, come on. Come on. Holy.
Be careful because I only have 6-pound tack.
Oh my God.
I have a 1/32 ounce tungsten jig on for panfish. It says just hammering some of these little perch and my panfish rod.
Oh
What the
my
hell
God.
is this?
This is like a super ultralight rod,
It is.
but
It's my perch and crappie rod.
we are in Laker and whitefish territory, so
Well, yeah, I know. I was taking a chance.
I'm thinking this is a Laker. It's either a really feisty whitefish or a Laker. It's just crazy. Can you see it? Oh, Laker. Big Laker. Oh, yeah. Oh. The size of that Laker. Holy.
Oh, come out.
It just came out. Right as you landed, it comes out.
You can see she's
Nice.
tagged.
Big.
They must be doing something with it, so I'm gonna let her go.
Yeah.
It's a good one. Great trout.
Beautiful trout.
And yeah, caught on this little tiny tungsten jig.
I like it.
Unbelievable.
Look at this. Wow, eh? Look at that thing. It tagged Lake Simcoe Laker. Just giving her some time to
I might have been
back
too
in the
tired. I'm worried. Oh, oh.
Oh,
She
yeah,
started
she's
moving.
getting some life to her. It's alright, girl. You wanna pull her? Oh, she's
There
gone?
she go. Oh, yeah, gone.
Bye,
gone.
girl.
Right on.
Ah! High five, Paul. That was
On,
awesome.
on a little 6-pound noodle.
On an ultralight,
The 6-pound
6
test.
pound test.
Yeah, my 6-pound test ultralight perch rod.
Look at that, show that lure. That's so funny. That Laker came on
Wow.
that crazy, eh?
Yeah, crazy.
Wow.
That was awesome.
So, it's been a good day. I got 3 whitefish. I had to throw one back. Paul got a awesome Laker, and then he got a bunch of perch, and it's been a good day of fishing. Yeah.
Wow.
Lady Simcoe's been good to us today, that's for sure.
Heck yeah.
Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what else we can get from here. So it's lunchtime. Paul just landed his big Laker while we were heating up some Jamaican patties. Paul made these last night. They are bacon cheeseburger Jamaican patties.
For venison.
Sorry, bacon cheeseburger venison patties. They are delicious. And here, oh, let me crack this open so you can see it. Sorry, I'm wearing a glove because it's pretty hot. But look at that, eh? So good. I'm falling apart right now, but these things are delicious. We whipped them up last night. Definitely good food for out on the lake. And cooked up on the buddy. Alright, so we're about to pack out. We had a great day, as you can see. 2 beautiful whitefish. I did land 3, but I had to let my other one go. That was on the tip-up rod. Paul got into a beautiful lake trout, and we got a couple perch. So it's been a fantastic day. The weather just turned out to be perfect. It was really cold this morning with a lot of wind, but the wind seemed to have died off, and the bite kind of died off with it too. But we still, again, had a fantastic day. A lot of action, and normally we don't get this kind of action on Simcoe. So Lady Simcoe was really good to us today. Thanks for watching though, everybody. We're gonna wrap her up and get back home. We got some fish to fillet, and we'll probably make some dinner. But all right, tight lines, everyone. See you on the next video.